we're planning on painting this bathroom.
Very important.
It's very important. Oh, do you have a helper? Ooh. What are we doing, Cam? What are we gonna do this?
Painting. Well, that painting, right, Dad?
So I made a decision, and we went with the monsoon green in the middle, just in case it gets too dark. I think that middle choice is kind of a good option, but we'll see. So we are going to paint the bathroom. We're only painting half of it because we got this wallpaper for the bottom half of it, and hopefully that ends up looking like it's supposed to. But I went ahead and Corey helped paint in the bathroom off. And we took out the big ginormous mirror and found this square. So they probably had a medicine cabinet or something here at one point, and we were replacing the big mirror. So we are going to paint that, get rid of all this like weird gold stuff on the walls soon. Yeah.
Mom's gonna open the paint. Yeah. Are we gonna paint with you now? No, we want to paint with you. Ooh.
What color is that?
I don't know. Can we paint with you?
Back up, guys. We're all
Can we paint with you?
No.
No, we want to paint with you.
Alright, I'm gonna close it back up so we're not gonna paint it.
Oh. So you were just opening the paint so we... Well, that's color paintbrush?
No.
Then whose paintbrush is it? But it can be colors.
No, it was mommy's. I was gonna paint, but then you guys got too much in the way, huh?
Yeah, because we really want to plate.
You want a plate?
No, we want to paint.
Oh.
We really want to paint.
What are you doing, Amanda?
I'm almost doing this. I'm going to paint the wall.
How not to paint a wall.
I don't know where
Step 1, hire Amanda Mickey.
I don't know where to start, I guess.
Probably on, like right there, yeah. No, not there, don't. Up more. No, down. Down. Right there. Yep. No. I wasn't even, but.
Alright.
Do it. Goodbye, Octavio and Gloria.
Oh, Octavia and Gloria, you'll be missed. For real, how not to paint. We totally forgot to tape the top of the door frame. So now I need Corey to come and tape it because he's tall and I'm not. And he's tall up there too and I'm not. How much of this room did you paint?
All of it.
Yeah?
Are you serious?
Or like
Have you seen
just
the
that
other
part?
videos of our house projects? Who's always painting in the video? Me. So why would there be any reason to question who is painting in this?
I painted like this whole room without him. I did. I painted this ginormous room.
Yeah, we would step back.
All by myself. All alone.
I painted the old office.
While Corey made preschool potluck pasta.
Yeah.
Not lasagna.
Look how shitty it looks, man.
Hey! Why you say it like that?
Just kidding. You need a second coat.
It does need a second coat. We knew that was going to happen.
You need a gallon.
We needed 2 quarts. We needed half a gallon, not 1 quart. You're so tall. Stop saying bad words.
Oh, this is a PG video. I thought this was Mickey's After Dark. What's in your hand? Oh, yeah.
That's not a bad word. Wine is a very good word. What's all this stuff for? So I'm going to paint the gold part, this, what's it called, parchment color, and it's chalk paint, and then I have like the wax sealer that goes over it. I was going to paint like the whole thing, I was going to paint it white, and it's already white, so I feel
But is it the right white?
I mean, I'm going to paint it this color and see how it looks, and if I'm like, you know what, I wish that whole thing was this color, then I'll do that. I'll paint the whole thing this color. But right now, I'll just paint the gold. And if I'm like, that looks good, I can hang with that, then I don't have to paint the whole dresser.
What's up with the rest of your walls, though?
You need to paint it.
Your teething skills
I know.
suck.
No, they don't. So I am working in the bathroom and it's bedtime, but I spy someone who's not in bed. I see you. Go to bed.
Get in your bed.
Oh. I haven't spilled paint on me yet, but I spilled wine on me. Okay, so YouTube said to use a foam roller when you're painting an entire cabinet, but I'm just painting these parts, so I'm just using a foam brush. So, let's see. Goodbye, gold. First coat. Done.
So, you'll see here, monsoon green. You'll see here, monsoon green. They don't look the same, do they? That's because we went to Walmart. Walmart. And I had to wait an hour to get some on the king counter, and the girl, who didn't look very happy to be there, I'm so sorry, you have to come get me paint. What you want? I was like, well, monsoon green. Apparently the machine was broken. She didn't know, or she didn't care. Because Amanda went back the next day to get another quart.
So I went back today and I said, I need this paint. And the guy was like, oh wow, the paint machine is out of white paint. So it's not dispersing white paint when it's color matching.
The lady behind me who ordered like 4 gallons, 10 gallons.
Oh man.
She paid her own house. She ordered like 20 gallons of paint.
Ooh, so yeah, today the guy refilled the white and the lady who was the manager was like, oh yeah, we've been out of white, so we were waiting for it to come. But they were still doing paint orders, and you can tell because this totally doesn't look like the right green.
That poor lady ordered so much paint.
And I knew it too. I knew it because it looked like the top one and not the middle one. And this looks so much lighter. Well, at least it's right now.
We all just spent an extra $10. Paint.
I don't remember how I did this last time. Other side. We'll pick it up.
You drip paint on that.
Faucet. Oh goodness. You're pushing me.
Huh?
I said you're pushing me.
Oh, and you got clean up Amanda's mistakes. life it should get one job. I was holding this thing. All 180 pounds.
What?
I got paint on my main shirt. Oh, mother.
Oh, I don't even see it. It looks super fantastic though, now that it's the right color and not super dark.
Don't drink wine.
Don't paint and drink.
Don't paint and drink.
How?
Not to paint and drink.
Your
Your finger's in the way. There you go. Okay, so I put a couple coats of the white on and now I'm going to seal it with a clear wax. Carter is taking the video, so you see mostly his finger. And I just got this brush, and the wax looks white. I'm just going to like rub it into the paint.
Mama, I can't see the picture.
No, is your hand in the way?
No.
Can you see this? You see the
I did it.
You did it?
Yep.
Nice.
I pressed this.
Good job.
Get that.
Carter, are you helping?
Yeah.
No more. Just what's on there. This white part.
No more's on it.
Oh, no. What are you cutting?
Need some wood.
All right.
Cutting our super fancy pre-painted chair rail. What do you call it? That goes in the bathroom.
Toilet rail?
Pre-paint that.
You mess it up already?
Someone scraped it. Can't be perfect all the time. That means you're ready. What are we doing, Amanda?
We are putting this wallpaper.
Does it feel sticky?
It's like beadboard wallpaper. It feels like jello. I already ripped it.
What the fuck? That's trash.
You think?
I mean,
An
yeah.
extra inch?
How are you gonna...
I don't know. I don't know what to do. I guess we have to start again. I already messed up.
Ladies and gentlemen, how not to
No,
wallpaper.
not to wallpaper. Don't rip the wallpaper.
Till next time.
I'm gonna mess it up this time.
Here we go again. Beadboard wallpaper. Take 2.
Take 2. Okay, didn't rip it.
Just don't rip it. I don't understand.
I didn't think it was gonna be that
Don't rip it.
fragile.
Pick it up. Put it on the wall.
You can do it.
Nope. I cut the minor joints, remember?
Okay. Alright.
Here she goes. Here she goes.
I picked it up the wrong way. Okay, so we're doing it the incorrect way. You're not supposed to start in the corner, but
Focus.
you're
Sorry.
You're not allowed to.
Be in the videos anymore?
Yeah. I'm gonna need your help.
No, you got it.
No, because I need it to line up on the bottom.
Do you want me to stop this video?
Yeah, I need your help.
If I do it badly, he just takes over and does it.
I'll get my butt cracked.
We're about to put in our last piece.
Amanda's gotta go with the kids tomorrow.
Amanda's not getting up with the kids tomorrow. We have Carter's birthday party tomorrow.
Whose idea was this?
Whose idea was it?
Amanda's.
You should have never bought a house.
It was Amanda's idea.
It's gonna look so good.
It does look really good.
It looks better than the glitter worms.
What?
The glitter worms.
Oh.
The sparkle glitter.
Anything was better than that.
Glitter worms. Sparkle glitter
Oh,
worms.
my knees hurt.
Looking good. What's wrong?
Nothing, just wish I had a nail gun. Saw some nice ones there. $60. Little home use one.
How much was it? Air
Air
compressor
compressor.
going?
100 something, yeah. But be done.
I mean, really, you just need a friend.
I need a friend with a nail gun.
Friend with a nail gun. Are you hanging the mirror?
I'm going to attempt to.
You can hang the mirror, and I bought the mirror. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I love it so much.
Okay.
And we had Carter's birthday party today, so
Alright.
that's there.
Focus.
Oh, I have to help.
I'm just telling you to make sure.
Well, it's a weird pencil.
When this mirror goes up lopsided, it's your fault.
No, it's yours. I'm so excited.
My name's Corey. I hate shit.
Hey,
What's up?
really bad this on that first thing.
Oh, sorry. Oh god.
Do you need help?
Oh yeah.
Look, you did it!
It's level.
It's a mirror.
It's level.
That's not. That's crooked.
What you talking about?
It's crooked.
Level.
Oh. This one's harder. How am I supposed to hold this
Take
one?
the level. It's level. Get in there. Don't move. Hold it right there.
Oh, God.
Don't move. Yeah. You're moving. No, the screws are moving.
Alright.
I'm just trying to get. I'm not even. Trust me.
Done?
Done.
We have shells. Those are the last things about
That's pretty awesome.
You gotta hang this part up.
What?
You have to hang these pictures up.
Oh. That's the thing right now. It's right there.
We did a thing.
There's just a nice little shelf. It only took us like 3 weeks to get it right.
Shh, the kids are sleeping.
They just stood there. So yes, we finished our remodel. First room is done. It was a lot of work. A lot more than Amanda promised me it would be. Before us, none of this existed. It was just a normal
They
room.
know they saw it.
What am I here for then?
I don't know, just tell everybody what this stuff is.
Pretty awesome stuff. Okay, yeah.
We were done the bathroom.
Down the bathroom. On to the next room.
We got pictures on that wall. And then we got have this thing over here. I don't know what do you call that thing.
Toilet paper holder?
A holder thingy. And
Where picked out the shower curtain?
Corey picked out the shower curtain. It's white like I asked for, so that's good.
Oh, we're missing a white door.
I know. We need to replace all the doors. That will happen. And these are our shelves we just made.
From scratch.
Yep, from scratch.
Piece of wood, cut it, stained it,
You make me happy.
bracketed it. You're talking to me in this room right now.
That's fine. Oh, I put all of it.
Yeah.
All of that. Oh, and we painted these things. That felt like it was forever ago when I painted and stuff.
It's really soon.
Ah, forever.
Saying it. Favorite room. This is my favorite room.
Is it?
Yeah, so far. It's the first
Yeah.
one.
First one, and done.